English muscles all warmed up and ready for this week's workout? Here's this week's limerick. There was an old man on a hill who seldom, if ever, stood still. He ran up and down in his grandmother's gown, which adorned that old man on a hill. Okay, so let's look at those words that are stressed, that give the limerick its rhythm. Words circled in red are the stress words. There was man hill, seldom ever still. Ran down grandmother's gown, adorned man hill. So those are the stressed words. All the other words are pushed together and said quickly. So have one more listen. There was an old man on a hill who seldom, if ever, stood still. He ran up and down in his grandmother's gown, which adorned that old man on a hill. Okay, so all the words in between those stressed words are unstressed. So we say them quickly. If it's just one word, there, no problem, say it quickly, there. If there are two words, like here, an old, we push them together. So an old becomes an old. On a becomes on a. So this sentence all together, there was an old man on a hill. Okay, so let's look at those words that we push together, the unstressed words. An old becomes an old. An old. On a becomes on a. On a. Up and becomes uppend. Uppend. In his becomes innis. Innis. That old becomes that old. That old. On a becomes on a. On a. Okay. So let me say it one more time. The red word's stressed. All the other words are said quickly to keep the rhythm. There was an old man on a hill who seldom, if ever, stood still. He ran up and down in his grandmother's gown, which adorned that old man on a hill. Okay, now it's your turn. Go back through the video, copy the words that I'm saying and the way that I'm saying them. Practice until you can say this with the right rhythm, stress, and pronunciation. Good luck. I hope you enjoyed this week's workout. Keep practicing during the week. Come back next week for another one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for lots more English videos, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for plenty of motivation and inspiration. Thanks for watching.